Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel, brilliant trading tips and also Forex emergency help. Today I'm not just reviewing a system, but I am making an analysis on gold. I'm making an analysis on gold. Today it is the 27th of September. It is Wednesday. I was supposed to post an analysis on gold, US30 and Nasdaq, meaning I was supposed to make that analysis and upload it Sunday, so that it was going to be a weekly analysis for this week. But unfortunately I could not post that video, or rather I could not upload that video, and that analysis is already late now. If I had made that analysis, all of you in the group would have gotten this move here, the sell on gold. Now the analysis that I'm making is not based on price action, not based on smart money concept, not based on anything, but based on the system that I am using, the Forex emergency help zone to zone swing trading system. This is the zone to zone swing trading system because we are trading based on supply and demand. We are only trading based on supply and demand. You don't have to know anything about Forex. You don't have to know the basics or anything. If you own this system, then you only follow what the system is telling you, as it is very straightforward. You see an up arrow at the demand, you buy. You see a down arrow at the supply, you sell. Very simple, and it's non-repenting, guys. It's non-repenting as long as you follow the rules of the system. Now I know there are people who have already bought the system from me, and some of you, I did not give you the PDF for the system, but now I'm going to show you how you use this system to trade. And I have testimonies from people who are using the system already. God bless you all. May the system keep on working for you. Look, this is how we analyze. First of all, when you are using this system, I pray that you have a big enough monitor or screen, because it is best for us to use this system in this manner, in this format. Meaning we open an H4 time frame and an H1 time frame simultaneously. And how do we trade using H4 and H1? Okay, let us go to H4 first. In H4, what we look for is the direction. How do we get the direction using the system? The direction, we get it by looking at the arrows of the system. We have these two arrows here. If you can see, this is one. This is a sell directional arrow. Can you see that one? And we have this one. This is a buy directional arrow. Also, if you see this big red arrow here, if you see this big red arrow, which I call the directional arrow or triple sell signal, this one tells you that we are now in a downtrend. Meaning now you can use any other indicator as a confluence to better time your entries. For instance, as you can see that we have this sell arrow here. It is telling us that we are in a downtrend. When you see this small arrow here, it gives you an opportunity to enter a sell if you missed a sell from the top. And also you see this this arrow again, especially when it appears at a supply, you enter more sell and then you enter more sell. But now what do we have here? Okay, now it is an analysis for this week. It's Wednesday. It might run until next week, because this analysis lasted for almost a month, if not two. Those of you who have my screenshots on the group, you can tell that I shared this analysis on gold, on US30 and on Nasdaq. Also, I was busy with GBP JPY, GBP NZD and GBP AUD. Those are the pairs that I trade the most. So now currently on gold we are in an uptrend based on the system we are using. Why I am saying we are in an uptrend? Because there is this green big arrow that appeared here. As you can see, there is this green big arrow. This is the arrow here, the green big arrow. It is telling us that we are in an uptrend. But now these white arrows, these are reversal arrows. Even though we are in an uptrend, but the market needs to pause and reverse a little, because the market moves in a zigzag format. As I always say, it's gonna be a push up, meaning a continuation, and it's gonna be a pullback, meaning a reversal or a retracement, and it's gonna be a push up again, a continuation. That's how the market moves. It's an impulse, a pullback, an impulse, a pullback. So what you're gonna do is, had you entered your buys here, in this area, you would hold all the way up until this area appears. When this one occurs or shows up, what you do is you exit your buys. You can enter small sales. You can enter small time frame sales, or rather you wait until you get another arrow. This arrow would have given you a chance to go up again, and this arrow would have told you to exit your buys. Now let me I don't want to be confusing. I want you to understand, but I'm gonna share this gold, and from this gold I'm gonna share USD also, so you will understand how to use this one. Listen, I said this arrow tells you that we are in a buy trend, and this one is a minor reversal. It's a minor reversal. You can trade it as well, meaning where you exit your buys entirely, you will exit them at the point where you see a sell arrow like this, where you see this big red arrow and a white arrow and a black arrow inside. That is when you exit your buys completely, meaning the buy trend is over. But for now the buy trend is still intact. You could have taken sales here, you could have taken sales from here, because this is okay. This one is a strong signal, this is a long-term signal, and this one is a mid-term signal. It is also strong, but not extremely strong as this one, meaning you can take this one as well. You can take it as a sell, but you are selling knowing that it is against the trend, because the trend it's a buy. Now I have only 1 minute to explain this. Look, let's say I've already told you that we are in a buy. Right now let us open these two time frames. You see, okay, in these two time frames, this was your buy, you exit here, and then this was your sell. This sell, let me show you, this sell you would have taken it. Why? Because in H4 you get the white arrow and the black arrow, meaning this is a mid-term signal. It's confirmation, meaning you would have taken that sell all the way down, and another arrow appears here. It's only a white signal without the black arrow. Still you would have taken that one, because in H1 look, you have the big green arrow, and also this one appears here. You would have taken the signal, because in H1 what do you have? It's a red green signal. But even though you are entering buys and sells, the bigger time frame is still giving you a buy trend, meaning now, as you can see, we are near a demand. What will happen now? We will get a big green arrow here. We wait for that big green arrow, and then we will buy. You can go as hard as you want, because now the buy is at the demand, and also it is in line with the direction of H4, in line with this arrow that I was telling you, the directional arrow, which is giving you a buy signal. I don't know whether you understood me or not, but if you feel like you are interested in what I was saying and you would love to know more, please share your comment on the comment box, so that I may share more analysis using